Hi everyone, Rich from Sticky's RC. Wanted to make a quick video thanking everybody for helping me hit 500 subscribers on my channel. It happened right after New Year's. Super stoked about it. Wanted to say thank you very much to everyone and to let everybody know that hopefully very soon I'm going to put together a subscriber giveaway. Should be something cool. I'm thinking about going with gift cards so that way people can just buy whatever they want from a place and have it shipped to them. I thought that would be a great idea. So let me know in the comments below what you think about doing a gift card giveaway as a thank you to my 500 subscribers. I'm thinking about doing 3 cards, a first, a second, and a third place type of giveaway as a thank you to everyone for watching the videos, liking, subscribing, and making comments, and overall just being really supportive of the channel and, you know, having fun with RC. So thank you all very much and look forward to 2020 and seeing all of you out there. Thank you. I'm also showing what I have in my garage. First one up is my Element Enduro. This is the kit. And this is currently running a brush system with a Hobbywing 1080 ESC in it and a Reedy crawler motor, Proline Hyrax, and a Proline Chevy Colorado body. This is the newest addition to my garage. This is my Arrma Typhon 3S. Been having a lot of fun with this rig lately. Skate park, BMX bashing, excellent car. I did recently add some hot racing shocks on there. I've got the RPM arms, but overall it's still pretty much stock. And of course, my Capra. I think this is probably the car that most people have seen videos of on my channel, and it is by far one of the most capable rigs I have in my garage. This is also currently running a brush system with the Hobbywing 1080 ESC and Hyrax tires. And this is my Axial SCX10 CRC Jeep edition. This was my first crawler, and it is currently going through a rebuilding process, making some changes, but overall an excellent rig. I made a lot of upgrades to it, including the Vanquish Curry axles, stainless steel incision links, RC 4-wheel drive shocks, and some scale accessories. And last but not least, the car that gets the least amount of coverage on my channel, which is my associated B6.1D 2-wheel drive race buggy. Now, generally, I don't get to do a lot of filming when I'm at the track because I'm a little too busy with the car set up, turn marshalling, all of that funness. But nonetheless, it is a fantastic car. Got a ton of upgrades done to it, and it's an absolute beast on the racetrack. So you got a chance to check out a few of the cars that are in my RC garage. Looking forward to adding a few more cars to the garage in 2020. have a few in mind, so keep those a surprise, and we'll start releasing videos on those as soon as I start picking those up. Also want to do a shout out to my friends Billy and Jay at RCU next Tuesday. Leg ends, awesome. Also to the 11 Charlie RC Monday night live stream group. Awesome job, guys. Awesome 2019. 2020 is going to be even better. Looking forward to it. And I want to again say thank you very much to everyone, all my subscribers, all the viewers, all the likes, all the comments that I've gotten, all the tremendous amount of support that I've gotten for my videos so far. And I'm really looking forward to keeping it going in 2020, growing my garage, reaching out to more people, and just having fun in RC. So, awesome job in 2019, everyone. Looking forward to 2020. Thank you, guys.